The maintenance interchange first started in 1999. Vic Perry and I, we talked about doing a one-time seminar, strictly an operator-to-operator only exchange of information without having any vendors or people in the building. In other words, nobody's going to try to come in and sell them anything. This is just them talking about problems.
We get together anywhere from 4 to 8 hours sometimes. We all submit questions or concerns in advance. Generally, if you have a problem, you're not the first one to have it. The folks in those meetings, typically, if you added up their aggregate years of experience, well over 1,000 years, and sometimes more like 2,000.
After 25 years, there's been value in it that an operator-to-operator exchange of people helping each other has been a great benefit for our industry.
Maintenance interchange to me is a huge part of UMA and why we come. And over the years, getting my mechanics coming to that, us coming to that has paid dividends in a big way.
The stuff that they learn in the maintenance interchange, they weren't able to find an answer to something that they were told by a supplier or someone that, well, you can't do that, you need to modify something, but yet another operator has found a fix for it.
We send 7 maintenance managers from Alaska every year for the maintenance interchange. It's a huge part of why we come. It's #1 reason why we come. We learn a tremendous amount of information, and we feel like we can provide some technical information to others in the group as well.
We have heard of solutions that have saved an operator tens of thousands of dollars, thus the term, "that just paid for my trip."
I've been coming to Interchange around 20 years. We're all kind of gearheads. I mean, a lot of the guys are into hot rodding and drag racing or other forms of racing, track racing, and I think that's kind of an extension of who we are as an industry. We're all gearheads.
As far as the competition goes, it kind of added value to the maintenance interchange. While you're here, then let's see who the best of the best is. It consists of 2 parts. One is a written examination, and the second one is a hands-on skills test of 2 motor coaches that are rigged for defect.
The written test to see how people are really, what they really know in black and white, and the competition. It's a big deal, and we have a good time. This has been 25 great years. I haven't attended all of them, but here we are, we're back again, so 25 years strong.